Hey everyone, it's Gabe Keeling here, and here's 8 best plugins for affiliate marketing on WordPress. And if you liked the video and you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and now on to the 8 best plugins for affiliate marketing using WordPress. So one of my most favorite plugins is Yoast SEO for WordPress. It has a free and paid version. The paid version I believe it's under $100 for a year. Definitely worth it. But you can use the free one too and get almost the same amount of benefits. I like going big when this is my business here. So it gauges your on-page SEO by a number of factors, and it'll tell you step by step on what you need to do to optimize your blog for the search engines. It uses a color scheme. It has red, orange, and green. Obviously, red is your page isn't very optimized. Orange is like it's getting there, and of course, green is you're good, you're golden. It measures various factors, like your heading, your body, your on-page linking, your off-page linking, and your title, description, everything like that. It's a nice all-around plugin for WordPress, and it's definitely one that I would recommend using. Next, we have OptinMonster. OptinMonster is absolutely essential if you're an affiliate marketer. It uses a platform where you can add ads to your website, pop-ups, opt-ins. It's like the perfect tool for lead generation. So if you have a traffic funnel or anything like that, you can implement OptinMonster with that to help you gain subscribers or to promote anything you want on your blog. And it's super universal. Again, it has a free and paid version. Again, I go with the paid version, but you look anywhere, and this particular plugin is one that almost everybody recommends using, especially if you're in affiliate marketing. Next, we have Monster Insights. Monster Insights plugin works in conjunction with OptinMonster and tethers to your Google Analytics account. This plugin is great for knowing your blog's performance and collecting various forms of information like where your traffic is coming from and who's going to where, and all those things that you want to know about your blog when you're trying to promote it. Next up, we have Ultimate Social Media Icons. Again, there's a premium and basic version. So this particular plugin, it's great for cross-promoting on other social media platforms. The upgraded does more social media platforms, and it has a bunch of extra, bells and whistles. But for me, I'm just using the free version. It allows you to send visitors to, not just your YouTube and Facebook pages, but it also allows them to share your content on the page, with various social media buttons to their blogs and Facebook's emails, whatever, YouTube, Instagram, anything that you decide to post on your blog. Again, this is one that I use. I don't use the paid version, but I feel the free version is of great value. So this is definitely one that I would also use. Next WordPress plugin we have is Blog2Social. This is one that I use regularly. I use the free version even, and I find that the free version is still extremely powerful. So what Blog2Social does is after you do a blog post or any of your previous blog posts, it allows you to share them across all your social media network or media profiles in one single click, and it collaborates that information in a manner that looks good on your social websites. So I've used some social syndication software before, and sometimes it comes out all kind of funky, but they do a pretty good job at the post looking natural, and you can edit it too before you send it off. So that was another major benefit. The paid version, all they do is it allows you to syndicate across a few extra networks that you may or may not use. For me, I'm just using the basic version, and I really love it. And the paid version, another thing that it does is it allows you to, the second you hit the post button on your WordPress blog, it'll automatically send at that point. With the free version, you have to actually go in there and go to the dashboard and then click share social media, and then it'll do it. But again, it's a fun bit of WordPress software, and I really love it. So up to the next one. Next on the list we have Aweber for WordPress. Now, for some reason, this particular plugin doesn't get a lot of good reviews, and I don't know why. Probably because it's just for Aweber. So if you're using like an autoresponder service, like GetResponse or Aweber, if you're using like something other than Aweber, then I could see why you wouldn't like this particular plugin. But for me, using it in the context of the blog itself, it works phenomenally. You can do all your stuff from the Aweber site, and then it automatically syncs in, so you can use the same sign-up forms, everything like that, with a single click of a button. Now, it has a widget tool, and I'm not particularly fond of that, so I would just use my normal Aweber account to implement that there. But as far as in the context, in the body of your blog post, this there's second to none for me, at least. Again, this plugin's free. It just connects with your Aweber account, and then you can put all your forms in all your blog posts. So it's definitely one that I use. I know all the ones I've been saying are definitely ones that I use, but I'm very, very adamant about the plugins that I use. So again, at least check it out. If you can find why other people are not liking it as much, please put that in the comments, because I'm curious. But for me, it's worked phenomenally. The 7th WordPress plugin on our list is SEMRush. SEMRush is another search engine marketing plugin that allows you to kind of take a look at what your competitors are doing, and then you can do what they're doing and do it better. The price tag on this is quite a bit more expensive than other ones, but the price doesn't outweigh the benefit of the WordPress plugin. So if you want to get the search engine optimization advantage and do what your competitors are doing, and like I said, step it up a notch. So last on our list is Pretty Links. Oh, and if you guys want to see any of this stuff implemented, visit my blog on gabekilling.com. You can kind of see how everything's laid out in there, and how it works and the functionality of it. So anyhow, Pretty Links. This particular WordPress plugin manages all your affiliate links. It's great for cloaking, storing, and tracking all your affiliate links that you use on your blog. So a lot of affiliate marketers swear by this software because it allows them to either shorten their URLs or makes them look a lot nicer on their webpage. I personally don't use it a whole lot, but I know a lot of people swear by it. So this is definitely on the list. So if you're using it, like for me, I don't know. It may be a personal opinion, but I kind of like letting people know that they're going to an affiliate site. To me, it kind of seems sneaky otherwise, but that's up to you. But so yeah, another great WordPress plugin that I think is pretty awesome. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it of value. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, you can also download the Millionaire Secrets ebook. You can find the link either on the top of my channel or down below in the description. So thanks again, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the content, and have a wonderful day.